University Classroom, IAQ Problem Solving. The classroom is the heart of the indoor learning environment, where students and teachers spend their day engaged in studying, reading, and collaboration. However, high occupancy in the room can lead to a rapid buildup of CO2. In a poorly ventilated classroom, this buildup can cause fatigue, reduce focus, and make people feel sleepy. In the worst case, this increases the risk of airborne illnesses. Most classrooms rely on natural ventilation, simply opening windows. While this lets CO2 out, it also brings in problems from outside: heat, humidity, and dangerous PM 2.5 dust. So let's see how Daikin technology provides fresh air without the trade-offs. In the lecture room at King Mongkut's University of Technology, Thonburi, where many students and faculty members always gather, we have equipped the space with a Daikin heat reclaim ventilation from VAM Series to ensure optimal air quality. This system continually exhausts CO2 and hot air while drawing in fresh supply air from outdoors. By utilizing an integrated heat exchange element, the unit pre-cools incoming air and removes excess heat, maintaining a comfortable climate without natural ventilation, thereby preventing unwanted humidity and heat from entering the space. From the actual measurement experiments on site, we found that, at the lecture room, CO2 levels were low when the room was empty. As students entered, the levels quickly rose above 1,000 ppm during class. However, when the room had natural ventilation, or when Daikin's ventilation system was activated, CO2 levels dropped and returned to a safe and healthy range immediately. Both ventilation methods can remove CO2. However, their energy consumption was significantly different. Thanks to VAM's heat exchange technology, the cooling load on the air conditioning system is greatly reduced. Daikin's heat reclaim ventilation system with heat exchange technology saves over 10% in energy consumption compared with natural ventilation.
ก่อนหน้าที่มีการติดตั้งเครื่องระบายอากาศนี้ครับผมรู้สึกว่าผมพยายามตั้งใจโฟกัสกับการเรียนแล้วแต่ว่าบรรยากาศภายในห้องผมรู้สึกว่าอากาศมันไม่ค่อยโฟล์เท่าไหร่และทำให้ผมหายใจติดขัดอีกทั้งผมมีอาการง่วงนอนระหว่างเวลาเรียนครับแต่ว่าหลังจากที่มีการติดตั้งเครื่องระบายอากาศนี้แล้วความรู้สึกในการเรียนผมสามารถโฟกัสได้มากขึ้นผมรู้สึกอากาศมันเฟรชมากขึ้นแล้วก็อาการง่วงนอนหายไปปิดทิ้งเลยครับทำให้ผมโฟกัสกับการเรียนได้มากขึ้นครับผม
Daikin solutions are designed to improve the air quality in every type of classroom, extending far beyond the KMUTT lecture room. It is particularly crucial in high-risk environments such as art classrooms, where chemicals from paints and thinners are present, or in newly furnished rooms containing volatile organic compounds, VOCs, from new materials, both of which pose significant health risks when inhaled. The Daikin system works by exchanging polluted indoor air with fresh outdoor air while performing heat recovery. This process keeps occupants refreshed and comfortable. The desired room temperature is maintained, significantly reducing the load on the air conditioning system and improving its efficiency. We are committed to creating an ideal learning environment where students can focus on their studies and enjoy their university life. We do this by transforming educational spaces into places that support comfort, concentration, and a better daily experience.
Perfecting the air, Daikin.